Interesting facts that you may not know. Diamond is not the strongest material in the world. In fact, a material stronger than diamond is called graphene. This material is so amazing that the two scientists who created it were awarded the 2010 Nobel Prize. To date, graphene is the strongest, thinnest, and lightest side material on the planet. It's lighter than wood, or metal many times and up to 300 times stronger than steel, to make it easier to imagine the strength of graphene than if you put a 6.8-ton elephant standing on a pencil and put it under a tree pencil. It's a sheet of graphene with a thickness of only 1 molecule of carbon. The surprising thing is that the graphene sheet will not be punctured. Even after many experiments, it was discovered that if it is connected about 300 graphene layers together, it can completely block bullets 100%. The amazing thing is that 300 layers of graphene is very, very thin, and for you to easily imagine, a normal sheet of paper has a thickness of 1,000,000 nanometers, and 300 layers of graphene is only 100 nanometers thick, which means that although this is just a film that is 1,000 times thinner than paper, it can completely resist bullets. So it can be said that graphene is the material of the future. Hybrid.